So dumb. Thing, did you see me? I had to swap out one of these batteries. What happened? I slipped out. Look, I bent my lever, the unbendable levers.
No way.
And then I scraped my knee, which was already scraped. I ripped it up and more. I should have had my knee pads on. It was stupid. I'm just like right there turning, but I was looking to my left at the rocks, and then the front wheel slips out. Noob the snake.
Oh, it's kind of. Alright, hang on 1 second. Alright, let's do a quick takeoff because I'm about out of battery.
You want me to just ride off?
I'll tell you when.
I'm gonna ride down this little thingy right here. That way. Is that running out?
Woo!
Is that when it runs out?
Dude, my battery on my phone and the drone died at the same time.
Were you trying to go up?
I was trying to get out of this because I saw this water. I was like, no.
Yeah, that would be the worst. It lands in the water. I think that's why it touches a couple times. It doesn't want to land on like a bush or something. Damn, I'm bummed I bent these. These are $100. And they're supposed to not break. That's why I buy them.
Damn.
And my knee hurts now. I want to ride through this water, but I don't know how deep it is. It's probably a foot or two deep. Alright, let's pack up. Look at it.
Whoa, what happened?
It landed straight on it. I fell on a stupid turn. I was just looking at the boulders, and I was starting to turn. I touched the front brake, the wheel slides up, and then I scratched my knee up.
Oh shit.
My knee was already scratched, so then I felt the blood open up again.
Oh, shit.
That was such a dumb fall I just had.
Dude, that final little session was a bunch of those falls.
That was a fun track. Did you get a lot of drone shots? I couldn't tell where you were.
Yeah, I lost